Welcome to my in-depth and honest Elephant review. In this Elephant review, I will discuss what Elephant is, how Elephant works, its demo, features, pricing, upgrades, everything. And I will also give my special bonuses worth over $30,000. So keep on watching. So, what is Elephant all about? Elephant is a web application compatible with both Mac, PC and mobile that makes it impossible to not see results. That's because Elephant does all the heavy lifting for you every steps of the way. So, whether you are a green as grass newbie or an experienced marketer who isn't seeing the results they want online, this will work out for you. Elephant is the world's first income system that requires zero traffic. This one-click system auto-prints being $50 to $100 every 30 minutes without traffic, without experiences and without waiting. Most people believe that you need traffic to profit online, and for the most part they are right. The fact is 99.99% of methods require you have to traffic, and that in itself is the problem, because frankly getting traffic is a pain in a rear. Don't you agree? That's why I was excited when a good friend told me that he was profiting but with zero traffic. I didn't believe him at first, but after he showed me the proof, it's certainly the real deal. I am curious what your thoughts are. So grab the Elephant now with discount. I want to show you something. See, the price is $17, but when you try to cross it, you will get $5 discounts and the price is only $12 now. And you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. Here is my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000 plus real world value. You will get YouTube Velocity. You can unlock a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. You also get MIF. MIF puts the wind at our campaign bag, glides it over 3 gigantic platforms. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertips. And we are going to show you how to turn this traffic into cold hard commissions. MIF is actually Discovery Ad Course plus bonus page generator software. You will also get Gina. Gina is a software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. Includes high converting done for you campaigns to promote and monetize the free flowing traffic. This is a complete plug and play push button solution. Another one is Genobia. Genobia solves the two biggest challenges that all newbies face: how to get bad traffic and how to turn it into daily commission with the hottest selling offer in 2021. Another one is Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a traffic software to online gold, uncovering buyers where no one else is looking, unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it. Cleopatra automates this profit strategy on LinkedIn. Another one is Golden Stats. Golden Stats is a unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again, flipping domains. Another one is Tweetex. Tweetex is a software automates traffic on Twitter plus bonus page generator software. You will also get affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. Another one, Forget About Broke. Forget About Broke is an incredibly unique strategy invented by Johnny Rose that gets newbies sales consistently in their spare time without any experience or technical skill. Another one is Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension which allows users to follow targeted audiences on TikTok, done for you offers on the front end along with the step-by-step training, top high converting squeeze and thank you pages. And there are lots more. See? Lots more. You can check. See? I have put the special link in my description and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out now. So I will discuss about the overview of Elevate. So the product Elevate is launched by Venkata Ramana. See, he is the top 5% vendor at Warrior Plus with 57,000 plus sales, and he is also a superstar vendor. And the launch date is 26th August, and the front end price is $17. There is a huge bonuses worth over $30,000, and this software is perfect for both newbies and expert marketers. They will offer 365-day money back guarantee. This is making money suit, and my personal recommendation about this product is 9.6 out of 10, and this is highly recommended. Now I will discuss about the features of Elevate. Zero traffic needed but still get paid. 67 beta testers made 47,000 plus with Elevate. Set up Elevate once and enjoy permanent result. 24/7 passive income even while sleeping. Your shortcut to instant online success. 365-day money back guarantee, 100% beginner friendly. 100% satisfaction, get paid for helping people. Zero maintenance cost and fast proven results. See results within an hour of getting started. Now I will discuss about the working steps of Elevate. You are just 3 steps away from enjoying passive income, and you can rinse and repeat whenever you want. Step number 1 is purchase. Click any of the buy button right now to get Elevate at the lowest price. Hurry, the price is rising. And step 2 is activate. Create your first Elevate campaign and then activate the auto print technology. All it takes is just one click. And step 3 is enjoy. We are enjoying $1,000 profit without the need of any traffic whatsoever, and this is so easy that a child could do it. Now the big question is what you will get inside the Elevate. Now I will discuss about it. Here's everything you are getting when you purchase a copy of Elevate. Let's see. Elevate web app. You will receive access to the Elevate web app, which can be used on any device of your choice. Mac, PC, iPhone, Android and all other devices work. Then Elevate autopilot technology. This allows Elevate to function on autopilot instead of you having to do all the work manually. Then Elevate monetization. This right here is the secret sauce. It's what allows us to get paid $50 to $100 every 30 minutes. Another one is Elevate training. To make sure you get the most out of Elevate, they are going to show you all the ins and outs, so there are no room for confusion. Then Elevate support. If you experience any issue with Elevate, their support team is ready to help you out. Simply hit them up and they will assist you right away. Now I will discuss why you need to get your hands on Elevate right now. Because get paid with zero traffic, their members are getting paid as you read. This is without the need of any traffic. The price is rising. If you don't act now, you will end up paying more for a copy of Elevate. And built for beginners. New to this whole make money online thing? Don't worry. Elevate is built to help anyone get results regardless of their experience level. And runs on autopilot. One thing you will love about Elevate is it's something you can set up once and leave alone. Takes 5 minutes to set up. All it takes is a meager 5 minutes to configure everything inside of Elevate, and backed by beta tester results. Not only have they been getting results with Elevate, but so have their beta testers. Now it's time for Elevate demo preview. I don't want to elaborate my video. I have put the demo video link in my description. You can check it out and see the demo video. Now I will discuss about the autos and funnel background of Elevate. The Auto one is Elevate Unlimited. This is worth of $39. In Auto one, you can experience Slingshot without limits, create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. Auto 2 is Elevate done for you. This is worth of $197. Don't want to do it yourself, then they will do the work for you. They will fine tune your Elevate account to the optimal settings so it's ready to start generating traffic like a well-oiled machine. Auto 3 is Elevate 1 hour profits. This is worth of $197. Don't want to wait 1 week for results? Then don't. With this upgrade, the average user profit within 1 hour. Auto 4 is Elevate Diamond Edition. This is worth of $197. This is your chance to steal their 5 proven done for you profit size that makes them $805 per day. Traffic is built into them and they are 100% automated, allowing you to enjoy passive income. Auto 5 is Elevate 1K per day and this is worth of $197. Now that you have Elevate, you have all the traffic you need, plenty of it, but how do you turn it into money? With the monetization upgrade, this problem is solved. You will be able to turn your traffic into juicy $1,000 commissions with no traffic and with no effort. Auto 6 is Elevate Limitless Traffic. This is worth of $197. In this upgrade, their teams aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. And Auto 7 is Elevate Reseller. This is also worth of $197. Sell Elevate and keep 100% commission on the entire funnel. You will get to use their proven sales pages design and they will even let you to use their support team. All you have to do is send traffic. Now it's time for my final verdict. So I have concluded everything about Elevate. If you don't act now, you could lose your spot. Once your account is activated, beginners are having no problem bringing in $50 to $100 every 30 minutes. As I have said earlier, no traffic is required with this. I know it sounds cliche, but this is in fact different. And it won't disappoint you, so go on. I highly recommend it for both newbies and experts. So grab Elevate now with discount and also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. I have put the special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out. And thanks again for checking out my Elevate review. Wishing you a very healthy and wealthy life.